Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your XDC tokens from Crypto.com to Coinbase Wallet. It's a straightforward process that can help you manage your assets more effectively, especially with the evolving crypto landscape. In this video, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have both a Crypto.com account with XDC in it and a Coinbase wallet set up. You'll need to verify your identities on both platforms for security reasons. It's 2025, after all, and crypto security is tighter than ever. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to the Wallets section and select your XDC holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Step 2. Choose XDC as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch to your Coinbase Wallet app. Go to the XDC wallet within Coinbase, tap on Receive, and copy the wallet address. Double-check that it's for the XDC network to avoid any errors. Mixing up networks is a big no-no in 2025 crypto transfers. Step 3. Back in Crypto.com, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Always verify it before proceeding. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Coinbase wallet, depending on network speed. Keep an eye on transaction status using blockchain explorers like XDC Explorer. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, contact support on both platforms immediately. There you have it. Transferring XDC from Crypto.com to Coinbase Wallet is that simple in 2025. This method keeps your assets secure and portable. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.